Inappropriate content ranging from racial slurs to drug references can be encountered by children on Roblox, with an online safety charity calling on government to regulate gaming platforms as they are falling under the radar. The Irish Independent created 2 test accounts for users aged 9 and 13 on Roblox, the online gaming platform which has overtaken YouTube as the most popular for Irish children. But within an hour of the 13-year-old account first logging onto Roblox on a Saturday morning, another user says a racial slur 6 times via voice chat, a feature users over the age of 13 can access if they verify a phone number with Roblox. In another popular voice chat-based game, a user is seen painting a large swastika on the ground, while the 9-year-old test account saw a note posted to a public wall that said "Kill all the Jews," which was quickly removed. In just a few hours, the Irish Independent observed several users circumventing platform rules around inappropriate content through misspellings or abbreviations to share suggestive language or references to drugs in the chat. The Irish Independent also created an account for a 9-year-old user, which the platform does not allow engage in voice chat or access content with a moderate maturity rating. All voice chat-based games are unavailable to users under the age of 13. One experience which aims to provide a space for users who feel sad or alone was visited by the 9-year-old test account, which observed one user telling the public chat that they want to die. A note shared to a public wall of messages in another said "Kill all the Jews." It was removed within a minute of the Irish Independent encountering it in the game, with Roblox suspending the experience following queries from the Irish Independent. 2 other experiences were also suspended, including the nightclub-like experience and the game where the user told the chat that they wanted to die. While it is positive that a number of safeguards are in place, online safety charity CyberSafe Kids said there is a gap in online safety legislation which should be examined, as all gaming platforms really don't fall under the same levels of scrutiny as other platforms. It does not come under our Online Safety and Media Regulation Act, as it neither meets the size threshold nor has an EU headquarters in Ireland. Any changes to how gaming platforms are regulated in Ireland would mean a change in the legislation, with CyberSafe Kids calling on government to look at gaming regulation separately as it is falling under the radar. Roblox is regulated under the EU Digital Services Act, but is below the threshold for what is considered a very large platform, as it does not have more than 45 million active users in the EU.